Hi, this is Corey at Porsche Colorado Springs, and I'm going to show you how to use the hands-free tailgate function on your late model Porsche Cayenne. First things first, you want to ensure that you have your key with you, otherwise this function will not work. All right, assuming this Cayenne is new to you, you'll first want to ensure that the feature is turned on in the vehicle's infotainment system. So with the car turned on, starting from the main menu, first we want to go to Settings. So we'll press Settings. Then we'll need to scroll to the bottom of this menu until we get to Vehicle. We'll select Vehicle. And then we're going to go down to Vehicle Locking Systems. And you'll see Comfort Access down here at the bottom. We want to go down and you'll see here, Activate Tailgate with Foot Gesture. Right now it's turned off. So we want to make sure that we press that it's turned on. You'll only need to do this once and then it should work from there on out. From the rear of the vehicle, we want to be looking where the trailer hitch is and this parking sensor. This is the area where the sensor for the tailgate is. So you approach the vehicle, put your foot underneath here. That will lift the tailgate. Make sure that your foot is close enough up to the body that it catches the sensor. And the same thing is true for closing the tailgate. So foot underneath, and there you have it. Now if your hands are full, you can approach the vehicle and get the tailgate open without having to fumble for your key or for the tailgate release. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.